My car just died.
Okay.
It has like a rumbling.
Well, the reason why I asked because there's damage on the front end bumper.
Said he drank 2 shooters in the parking lot, intended to walk home. He lives on North Pole Loop right over here.
That means that you now take a test.
A stalled car, front end damage, the smell of alcohol. 3 facts that seem unrelated at first. But under New Mexico law, each one triggers a separate legal obligation, a separate evidentiary chain, and a separate path to criminal liability. What happens next is not just a DUI stop. It is a case study in how law works in real time.
Hello.
Hello. My car just died.
Okay.
It has like a rumbling and it's not letting us. I put it in neutral, but it's not letting me.
Did you crash?
No.
You can turn it off. Well, the reason why I asked because there's damage on the front end bumper.
Oh shit.
Yeah, 10-4. I have a 41 here that's pretty much the driver. So where are you coming from?
From the south. I was just dropping him off.
Okay, you were just dropping them off?
Mm-hmm.
And you picked them up and you're dropping off where?
No, I picked him up from work and I was dropping him at home.
Okay, you have a driver's license?
Yes.
I'm trying to share the location where we're at. That's what I'm trying to do right now. I'm trying to send
Alright, anything to drink tonight?
No.
Why is there an odor of alcohol I can smell?
Yes, I did have 2 drinks. I'm sorry.
What kind of drinks did you have?
Modelo.
Modelo?
Yes.
How many Modelo have you had?
2.
2? When was the last time you had consumed those Modelo?
It's been about half an hour.
Half an hour since you consumed it?
Yes.
Is it like one of those bottles, like big glass bottles of Modelo?
It's just a tall can.
Tall can?
Yes.
Okay, and you had 2 of those?
Yes.
And then the last time you consumed was 30 minutes ago?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. So, who is he to you? Who are you to her?
I'm her friend.
Friend?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you live around the area?
Yeah, I live right here. I just want. She was just bringing me home, and then she was coming back, and then the car just stopped, and she called me if I walked back here to help her to be with her.
Okay. Wait, so your stories are not adding up. So she picked you up on Speedway, is what she's saying.
Yeah, from Speedway, yeah.
Yeah.
She did pick me up from Speedway. We
Okay.
did came to her house.
Okay.
Yeah, but then we hung out.
Okay.
We did have a couple drinks, but then she brought me home.
Okay.
And then now the car just stopped, and now we're just here.
Cool. Vanessa, which way were you coming from?
Which way was it? I was coming from that way.
So you're heading towards this direction?
Yes.
Okay, so you're trying to come to go this?
Yes.
Okay.
I live.
Are you injured or anything?
No.
No?
No.
Sam, to negative on 9055.
I'm sorry. It's not going through. I'm sorry. I'm shooken up and I'm nervous. I'm sorry.
Burned out and
She said she was coming from this way. She didn't even realize she was in the crash. Could have asked her because she said she couldn't move the car. Okay, so I guess she should come from this way, and then she make this turn. It kind of makes sense why there's damage on the curb. But yeah, she's just one of those. Okay. All right, Vanessa, you can. Did you put up your insurance by chance? Did you find it?
I paid my insurance, yes, sir.
I don't need any transaction as far as your payment. I just need insurance proof with the policy number on it.
Well, I can't show that, sir. So,
Okay.
I'll step out.
So here's what's going to happen, Vanessa. Just based on the odor of alcohol that I can smell and your admission to drinking, come over here. What are you doing?
Can I
No,
just,
you're going to come out.
can I put my purse.
No, you're gonna come here. Okay, now you're in the need of your investigation right now.
Okay.
Going to face me, Vanessa? Let's take one step forward. Put your feet together with your arm down to your side of your legs. I want you to move your glasses and you can hold on to it. Alright, so before I have you do anything, have you ever been diagnosed with traumatic brain injuries?
No.
Do you have any type of physical injury that can hinder you from walking a straight line or stand on one leg for a very short period of time?
No.
No? Okay. Other than your glasses, those are your prescription glasses that you wear?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. Don't worry, I'll have you put them back on when I need you to, okay? As of right now, I just need you to spit out your gum in your mouth. Go ahead and open your mouth for me. Lip up your tongue. Okay. Let's take one step forward. Put your feet together, arm down to your side. Now, you see the tip of my finger? I want you to follow the tip of my finger with your eyes on, head stay still. Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you have any questions?
No.
Keep your head still, okay? Just your eyes. Don't move your head, I just want you to move your eyes.
That's what you just hang tight with us over here.
When we go up this time, continue to follow the tip of my fingers, eyes only, head stay still.
If you would just take a seat right here on this curb. Do not reach into your backpack at any point, okay?
You comfortable in walking in those shoes?
No.
You're not comfortable in walking in those shoes? Do you
No.
have any other shoes
No.
that you can put on?
No.
No.
I'll walk barefoot.
You're gonna
It's
walk
fine.
barefoot?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, you can put your glasses back on.
Thank you.
Okay. Come over here. You're gonna face that way. Now I want you to imagine a straight line. Imagine a straight line in front of your left foot, okay? You're just gonna imagine a straight line in front of your left foot, as wide as the duct tape, okay? It's about 2 inches wide. That's how I want you the imaginary line for you to be, okay? It's gonna be right in front of your left foot. You're gonna place your right foot in front of your left foot, here touching toes. Place your arm back to your side. Go ahead and go back. Place your.
It's kind of cold.
Do you want to put your shoes back on?
Can I?
Yes.
Okay. Left foot.
Okay. Imagine a straight line in front of your left foot. Place your right foot in front of your left foot, here touching toes. Your right foot in front of your left foot, here touching toes. Do not move from that position. Do you understand? Place your arm down to your side of your legs. Do not move from that position. Okay? Watch me as I demonstrate and listen to my instructions. Okay?
Okay.
When I tell you so, you'll be taking 9 heel toe step. 9 heel toe step looking exactly like this. 1, 2, 3, all the way to get to number 9. Once you get your 9th step, you're going to leave your front foot planted, using your rear foot to take a small series of steps to turn yourself right back around. Once you turn around, you take another 9 heel toe step on that same imaginary line, looking exactly like this. 1, 2, 3, all the way till you get to number 9. It's very important that once you begin this test, you must look down at your feet, counting each step out loud with your arm down to your side. Once you begin this test, you may not stop the test unless you have completed the test.
Okay.
Do you understand?
I understand.
Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. I'm going to place your right foot in front of your left foot. As of right now, go back. I haven't told you to start yet.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Stand where my flashlight is at. I want to stand right there. Put it up, okay. Place your left foot right there. Place your right foot in front of your left foot. Place your right foot in front of your left foot. As of right now, you're at 0 step. Whenever you're ready, you may begin. Done? Alright, you want to place your feet together?
I'm done.
No, I still need you to cooperate with me. Go ahead and face me. Go ahead and face me. Place your feet together with the arm down to your side. Okay, do not move from that position until I tell you otherwise. Do you understand? Okay, this next one is the one leg stand. With the foot of your choice, totally up to you. I really don't care, left or right. Okay? Alright, with the foot of your choice, you're going to lift it approximately 60 inches off the ground. With your arm down to your side, I haven't told you to start yet. Just relax. Do not move from that position until I tell you so. Okay? Watch me. See how both of my legs are fully straight and extended?
Yeah.
You're going to have your arm down to your side of your
But
legs.
you're shaky too.
You're going to have your arm down to your side of your legs.
Okay.
And you're going to be looking down at your elevated foot, counting out loud, 1001, 1002, 1003, so on and so forth until I tell you to stop. You understand?
Yes.
Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. Which foot are you going to lift off the ground?
My left. Oh, my right.
Your right foot?
Yes.
Okay. Hold on 1 second. I haven't told you to start yet. All right. Whenever you're ready, you may begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007,
Keep going.
1008, 1009, 1010,
Keep going.
1011, 12. I'm sorry, sir. I'm cold.
Okay. You can stop. You graduated high school? Vanessa?
I know.
You graduated high school?
No.
No?
No.
Do you know your numbers at least? From
Yes.
1 to 100? You can
No.
count from 1 to 100?
I can.
Okay, I want you to count backwards, starting at 72, ending at 51 in the correct order. You understand?
Are you serious?
Yes.
I never graduated. I'm sorry, sir. Rephrase that.
I want you to count backwards, starting at 72, ending at 51.
72,
Yeah, you're going to start at 72, you're going to count backward to 51.
71, 70, 69, 68, 67, 68, no, 67, 66, 66. I can't.
Okay, you know the alphabets? ABC?
ABC.
Yeah. So I want you to recite the alphabet starting at the letter I, ending at Q. You're going to start at I, ending at Q.
You know what? We can just give it up.
No?
Officer.
You
Yeah.
want to give it a shot? Okay.
No, we can just give it.
Where's your phone at in the car?
I think,
It's on the seat.
I believe Chris had it.
Do you have the insurance information in the vehicle as well? Or is it on your phone or something?
I don't have my insurance registration. I tried to look at it on my phone. I don't have
Who do you have insurance through?
farmers.
Farmers. But the paperwork's not going to be in there, you don't think?
No.
Do you have any small children at the house that you're taking care of right now?
No, no, sir.
Just hang tight so we can get these on so we don't hurt you, okay?
Okay. Does that help?
Mind if I looked at a glove compartment for your insurance information, or are you going to be able to get it?
Not at all. You
Okay.
can
I
look
appreciate
at
it. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Statute, 10-4. I'm going to have that 4115 for 47. You got it for the 6, please.
Chris,
Let's
do
go
you
back
have
there.
my phone? Where is it?
Okay, let's go
We'll
ahead.
get it for her.
We'll
That's
get
right
it for you,
here.
Vanessa.
Vanessa, do you want your wallet to go with you?
Can you please officer just put it in the middle of the console.
Okay,
You want to give it to your
give it
sister?
to your sister?
Yes, that would
Okay.
be amazing.
Okay. Come back here.
Damn. Why do you have to slam the door?
I'm sorry. Didn't mean to scare you or whatever.
What did he say? What?
So, I got his 49 too if you want it. They work at Speedway together. She worked earlier today, but she wasn't working when he got off at 10 o'clock. He gets off, he said he drank 2 shooters in the parking lot, intended to walk home. He lives on North Pole Loop right over here. Then was like, hey, I'll call her to come pick me up. She comes and picks him up, drops him off at North Pole Loop. Shortly after dropping him off, he gets a call from her saying she crashed the car. So he walks, because he doesn't have a car, walks over here and is helping try to get the car moving when they call, or whomever calls, and we get here. I verified on the phone that at 11:47, she did call him 4 times, which kind of matches with his story.
Okay.
But, I mean, obviously not the amount of alcohol. He must have been just getting blasted in the parking lot or something before she picked him up, but who knows. But that's all I got from him.
You follow me. We'll go through this door. Better stand right here. I'm gonna read this to you as you follow along, okay? Listen to me, I'm about to tell you something important. You are under arrest for DWI. The New Mexico Implied Consent Act requires you to submit to a blood test to determine the alcohol content of your blood. After you take our test, you have the right to choose an additional independent test. If you choose to take this additional independent test, you have the right to a reasonable opportunity to arrange for a physician, a licensed nurse, or laboratory technician, or technologist who is employed by a hospital or physician of your own choice to perform an additional chemical test. The cost of this additional test will be paid by the law enforcement agency. Do you agree to take our test? No? No?
No.
Okay. I cannot force you to take our test, but if you refuse, you will lose your New Mexico driver's license or non-resident operating privilege for 1 year.
Shit.
If you are convicted in court of driving while under the influence, you may also receive a greater sentence because you refuse to be tested. Do you understand?
I'll take it.
But that being said, you now agree to take a test.
I'll take it.
All right, have a seat. As you can see, the mouthpiece is still sealed in the faucet. I have not contaminated with it.
You guys were gloves.
You're going to take a deep breath. You're going to blow into the mouthpiece just like you're blowing a balloon. Keep blowing, 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 keep blowing. Have a seat. They can ask you to blow one more time. Just have a seat and I'll let you know. Alright, stand up. Same thing like you did last time. Take a deep breath. Blow into the mouthpiece just like you're blowing a balloon. Keep blowing, 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 keep blowing. You can have a seat.
very direct.
Huh?
You're very direct. You need to be. I appreciate that.
I'll get you some toilet paper as well. Let me take this off you. Yeah, Vanessa.
Thank you.
You can use your phone. You need to use your phone?
Thank you.
I suggested you get a contact number, but you might need to write it down. I'll write it down for you when we get to the jail.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Your phone number? If you need to get a phone number from your phone, I can write it down, and I'll get it for you when we get to the jail.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you, sir.
We're gonna head out. You want to turn your phone off and save some battery?
Can I make one phone call, sir? Just to let my sister know that I'm getting transported to Sandoval.
That's fine.
Is that okay? Hey, honey, so they're gonna transport me to the Sandoval Regional Center, well, the Sandoval
County.
Sandoval County Booking Center. So I just wanted to let you know where I would be at. That's not the one in Cuba.
No, it's right
It's
next to
the
Walmart.
one by Walmart. No, I'm in Albuquerque.
Rio Rancho.
Or Rio Rancho. So yeah, they're gonna transport me now. Okay, just wanted to let you know. I love you too. Alright. Bye-bye.
So your driver's license is in here as well. There's a yellow copy right here. There's a yellow piece of paper. That's going to have the information, the tow company that towed the vehicles, and the address in the phone number.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Gonna put your hand behind your back. Okay, relax real quick. Get a double lock before it gets tight on you.
Oh, that's fine.
So you're gonna follow me.
reasonable suspicion and probable cause. Under Terry v. Ohio, 1968, an officer needs only reasonable articulable suspicion to initiate an investigatory stop. Once Vanessa admitted to drinking and the officer detected alcohol odor, that threshold was crossed. The investigation then shifted toward establishing probable cause for arrest under NMSA 1978, Section 66.8.102, field sobriety tests and admissibility. The three NHTSA-standardized tests, HGN, walk and turn, and one-leg stand, are admissible as evidence only when administered in strict compliance with NHTSA protocol. Pre-test advisements covering traumatic brain injury, physical limitations, and prescription eyewear are not optional. Any deviation opens the results to suppression by defense counsels at trial. Supplemental cognitive tests, backward counting, and alphabet segment tasks have not been validated by NHTSA. Courts in multiple jurisdictions have excluded them under Federal Rule of Evidence 403, finding that their prejudicial effect substantially outweighs their probative value. Relying on them weakens, rather than strengthens, a DWI prosecution. Miranda rights at the roadside. In Berkmer v. McCarty, 1984, the Supreme Court held that a routine traffic stop is not custodial detention. Miranda warnings are not required during roadside DWI questioning. Statements made at the scene, including Vanessa's admission to drinking, are fully admissible without any prior advisement of rights. Implied consent and license revocation. NMSA 1978, Section 66.8. 107 establishes that any driver on New Mexico roads has implicitly consented to chemical testing upon lawful DWI arrest. Refusal triggers an automatic 1-year administrative license revocation. This sanction is processed separately from criminal court and applies regardless of the outcome of the DWI charge. Refusal is evidence of guilt. In South Dakota v. Neville, 1983, the Supreme Court ruled that refusal to submit to a breath test is not protected by the Fifth Amendment. Prosecutors may introduce evidence of refusal at trial as circumstantial proof of consciousness of guilt. Vanessa's initial refusal, though reversed, is permanently part of the evidentiary record. Breath test without a warrant. In Birchfield v. North Dakota, 2016, the Supreme Court distinguished breath tests from blood draws. A breath test administered incident to a lawful DWI arrest requires no warrant. A blood draw generally does, unless exigent circumstances exist per Missouri v. McNeely, 2013. Vanessa took a breath test. No warrant was needed. 3 lessons from this encounter. First, an initial denial to an officer who can already detect evidence does not invoke the Fifth Amendment. It is simply a false statement that destroys credibility. Second, refusing a breathalyzer creates permanent administrative consequences, even if you later consent. Third, knowing your rights before an encounter is the only moment when that knowledge actually helps. The breathalyzer result was never stated on camera. The front-end damage was never fully explained, and the charges filed, if any, remain unknown. Was the evidence enough to secure a conviction? Did the non-standardized tests damage the prosecution? Could the initial refusal be used against her in court? The law gives us the framework. The outcome gives us the answer, and that answer is still out there.